Alright, this is how to make a airplane out of a bottle and a pencil. First you put the pencil, eraser down. It's got to be the eraser down in the bottle. Take the cap, close the bottle, put it on its side. Now you have to have a knife. Take the knife, make sure the bottle's straight, and start stabbing it. Now the stabbing part is the best part. And the best part about it is that it makes it aerodynamic. Now once you've stabbed it a few times, I've already stabbed it a lot, take it and smash it. As so. Now we're going to do the test, which is fairly simple. It's just like a regular paper airplane or any other kind of plane you throw. You just take it and throw it. Alright, so I'm going to throw it now.